Dear students, welcome you all to my YouTube channel Learning Island. Today I have come up with the learner's diary from History chapter, class 8, the chapter 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, total 6 chapter. So let us see the diaries. The chapter number 3, rolling the countryside. So what I learned, I have written there, what I found challenging, what I found interesting. So please find these videos and if require, pause the video and write it down. So let us go to the next chapter, chapter 6, weavers, iron smelters and factory owners. Here also I have written what I learned, what I found challenging and what I found interesting. So next, this is civilizing the native education and nations. Here the points are mentioned and also written, so no need to read those writings. So please go through it and write it down. Next, if I scroll down, chapter 8, women, caste and reforms. Here also I have written the 3 points, what I learned, what I found challenging, what I found interesting. If I go to the next chapter is chapter 9, the making of the national movement 1870 to 1947. What I learned, what I found challenging and what I found interesting. The writings are clear, so you can write it down very easily. For the next and the last one, India after independence. So what I learned in this chapter, I have learned what happened after the partition and problem that came up in the nation. I have learned features of the constitution and how it was written. I learned about the formation of the states on the language basis and their development plan. So the rest, please go through yourself and write it down. I hope these diaries are very important for you. So if you feel it is really good and helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and also forward this to your friends so that they can also get the benefit out of it. Thank you. I will see you again in my next video. Bye bye.